In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Buffer for social media management. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first you want to go to buffer.com and sign up for an account. So basically Buffer will already teach you for the stuff that you'll need to do. So as you can see right here, in the lower right corner, it says complete your setup. So first create your Buffer account. Now connect your first channel, save an idea, and publish your first post. So the first thing that we'll want to do is connect our Buffer account to any social media account or platforms. As you can see right here in the left side, in the channels tab, you can either connect to Facebook, connect to Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Threads, and you can click here to show all of the channels that you can connect to your Buffer account. So let's say we want to connect to Facebook. So let's just click on Connect Facebook. Now let's connect our Facebook page. So click on Start Connecting. Now just continue as your Facebook account. And you'll see your pages right here. So just select the page that you want to connect. Just click on this checkbox, click on Start Connecting, and that's how easy you can connect your channel or Facebook page to your Buffer account. Now, after that, your page is connected, you'll see a pop-up menu right here. So it says a new quick way to create posts. So you can just simply create new posts for any of your channels faster by hovering and clicking on the plus button. So just click here and got it. Now let's go to the Create tab right here. And from here, you can simply create a new idea. So it depends on you what you want to post. So when you click here on New Idea, you can just simply enter the description of your idea right here. So let's say you want to create a post for your products. So let's say your page is about a online clothing store. Let's say upload 15 pictures of new clothes. So let's say something like that. And you can simply select the files or the photos that you want to upload right here. And when you're done, let's just give our idea a title. So let's say um, uh, sale 50% off. Let's just say something like that. And let's click on Save Idea. So it still depends on you. So I just made a really brief description about my idea, but you can also add in your full description right here. So you can just simply go back to this idea when the day comes when you're uploading this post. What's good about this Buffer website is they can use AI to play with your words or your description. So let's say we want to select this, and as you can see, there's an option here to refine with AI. So let's click here, and you'll see the Buffer AI assistant pop up. Just click on next, right there. As you can see, you could either rephrase, shorten, and expand. So let's say expand. As you can see, they will help you with your description. So you can just simply copy this and paste it in your description. And it's a really good thing because it helps you decide, or if you don't really have a good idea on what to do or to add as a description, you can always use the AI assistant of Buffer. Now let's click on Save Idea right there. So it's already in our to-do list. You can see right here. Now, if we're going to create a post, let's just click on Create Post right there. And as you can see, your Facebook page is already connected. So you can either post this as a Facebook post, a reel, or a story. Now you can drag and drop the image or video that you want to post, and also click here. So this is a upgrade to your plan to save and organize Instagram hashtags. So this section is for the emojis, and this section is for the media. You can also add tags. So let's just click here on add to queue. So when we're going to add to queue, you can click here on the drop down menu. So if you click on share now, it will automatically post to your Facebook page. If you click on share next, it will automatically be posted after the post that you have scheduled first, or simply select schedule post to add a date to when you want to post this. So let's say you want to post this on Friday. Select Friday here, and you can select the time, and it will automatically be posted for you. Click on schedule right there. Or I already posted it, so we're not able to post the same thing again so soon. All right. And you'll see the Facebook preview from here, the right side. Now just simply go back to the Buffer home page and you'll see your channels right here. So when you click on your Facebook channel, you'll see this timeline right here. So let's say you have a scheduled post for Friday. You'll see it right here. You can also simply go here to schedule a post. So let's say you want to schedule a post on Saturday. So just simply hover your mouse in this times, click here, and schedule a post. Now you can start writing or use the AI assistant to create your posts. So that's basically it. So from here, you'll see all of it. So there are tabs right here in the queue. So as you know, I queued this post. You can also see the sent right here. You can also see approvals and drafts. Now there are settings also right here. So it already has this link shortening setting. So when you shorten your link, it will automatically use this buff.ly. You can also change to bit.ly or simply no shortening. Here in the queue actions, you can also change some settings right here and add your Google Analytics campaign tracking. So also there is this analyze tab right here. So this is for the upgraded version. So you can really use this. Also the engage section right here. I think this is also for the paid version. So basically you can only use the basic stuff if you won't upgrade your plan. So if you want to connect your other channels, again, just go here to the channel section. You can also go to your calendar right here to see your schedules of uploads. And that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.